Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So I'm so excited today because in today's video I have one good news for you which I'll tell you in the end of the video. And the second thing is I'll share the new shades launched by my favorite brand liquid lipstick, that is Loreal Rouge Signature Lip Stains. So L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature has added new shades to their collection which are inspired by sunset theme. So basically it's a sunset shade extension 2020. And these shades are having warm undertone which is very perfect for Indian skin tone. But before I show you the swatches, the first thing is why I love them the most. The first thing is these are having warm undertone which is very perfect for Indian skin tone because in India most of the girls have warm undertone, so it will suit all of them. The second thing is it has weightless matte formula which is very good thing because you feel nothing on your lips. This range includes reds, nudes, pink, plum, every shade for every mood and occasion, and it will give you very intense color. And the main thing is which make it very different from other brand liquid lipsticks that it doesn't get cakey or you doesn't feel any thickness on your lips like other lipsticks does. So because of these points, these L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature collection is my favorite. If we talk about texture of these liquid lipstick, these doesn't have any thick consistency. These are having like oil and watery based consistency. So because of this, you doesn't feel anything on your lips or any thickness on your lips. So they are perfect to wear anytime, anywhere. First, I will show you the texture and new shades, then move on to lip swatches. This shade number is 127 I Vibrate, and this is perfect sunset shade with a bright hue of orange. It is bright so you can wear it both daytime and nighttime. It will complement any Indian skin tone. This is the shade number 128 I Decide. This is one of the darker pink which complement both duskier and lighter skin tone as well as perfect for festive and wedding season. So this is the shade which you can surely try in this wedding season. Next, this is the shade number 129 I Lead. It is a rosy pink color with a light brown undertone which looks very classy and subtle, and it would be suit cooler undertone more than warm undertone. This is shade number 130 I Amaze. It is pretty tone for days when you have to look loud and bold. It is orange kind of color with slightly pink undertone which make it very different from any other color. Now move on to my favorite lip shade among all of these. This is 131 I Captivate. This is a dark plum shade which pair up very well with smoky eyes. It has an undertone of berry and plum both which give you intensive color, and it can be paired up very well with black and grey color outfits. And as you can see, these are very good and smooth to apply. Let's move on to now lip swatches. good news is if you buy 2 L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick from any L'Oreal Paris brand store, then you will get a perfectly matched clutch free. So that's a very good idea. Grab yours now before it will get stock out. So this is my video for today now. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.